Open the glove box. Remove the plastic tray and the access panel. To remove the panel, push in on each of the tabs while lightly prying the top with a flathead screwdriver. Pinch the tabs on the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the access panel and the plastic tray. Make sure the tabs are secure in their catch. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.